Hey travelers! In today's quick guide, we'll walk you through a neat feature on Google Maps, how to avoid highways. Whether you prefer the scenic route or just want to take it slow, this tip is for you. Let's hit the road. Launch the Google Maps app on your device. Make sure it's updated to access the latest features. By opening the page in the upper right corner of the screen, you will see your profile picture. Click on it. When the page opens, look for the Settings option and click on it. Within the settings, scroll down to the Navigation Settings option and then click on it. Then, on the new page, scroll down to the Route option. Under the Route options, turn on the Avoid Highways option. Google Maps will instantly recalculate your journey to skip freeways and take you through alternative routes. That's it. You've successfully set your Google Maps to avoid highways, giving you the freedom to explore at your own pace. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel and tech tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy your scenic route with Google Maps.